Yeah, Imana, you were just talking about going to get a bill for this
and
one.
you know you have so much respect in this community.
Yeah, Mokem. Listen to me and listen very well. Huh? I know you don't like me, Mano Basarom. It's none of my business. Reason best known to you. Now listen to me. I'm in love with your sister. And we've agreed to marry each other. Okay? Henceforth, I do not want you to lay your hands on your sister again. Do not lay your hands on her again. I don't want to hear that. Okay? Not for anything in this world. If you want to beat, if you want to fight, look for me to fight me, not her. Don't try it again. I warn you, and this is the last warning. Do you get that? Mama, want this boy?
Hey. You are a fool. How dare you just step into my compound and knock rubbish? You know somebody who been and one way on the target. Don't you know? Nonsense.
You call me a fool. Did you call me a fool? Eh? You call me a fool. Okay. Hey, now listen to me. Eh? Anywhere I see you alone in this village, blue, black, red, green, yellow, okay, won't on by my name. Do you understand? Till you sign undertaking, proving to your sister that you will never beat a woman in this village again. You know, else.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.